Hello everyone. Hope you all are good and safe at your places and taking care of yourself. Students, this is Priyanka here and once again I am here with the video of English Mulberry of class 2. Students, as we have done the poem that was dogs in our last video, right? So in this video we are going to move on to the new chapter, chapter number 4. So students, without any delay, take out your Mulberry book and open chapter number 4. So students, the name of the chapter is I was walking down the road. So students, you opened this chapter, I was walking down the road. I hope students, you have opened this chapter. So students, in this chapter we are going to read about a little girl who is very naughty, okay, and she used to catch the animals and put them into the cage, okay. But before explaining you this chapter, one activity is given here. So first we will do this activity, then we will move on to the reading. So let's do it. Animals live in many different places. The place that an animal lives in is called its habitat. There are many different types of habitats where different types of animals live. Match these animals to their habitats. So, as we can see, the first picture is of dolphin and its habitat is water. Okay, it will go with the water habitat. Now the next picture is of camel and camel picture will go with the desert habitat. Now come to the third picture, as it is a tiger picture, so it will go to the forest habitat. And the last picture, ant, and it will go the underground habitat. I hope students this activity is clear to you. Now come to the chapter. How do you think animals feel when they are caught and taken out of their habitat? Let us read a story about a girl who saw some animals as she was walking down the road. So students, in this story we are going to meet a girl who saw some animals as she was walking down the road. And when she saw these animals, what she did with them? Let's see. So let's read it. I was walking down the road. Then I saw a little toad. I caught it, I picked it up, I put it in a cage. So what this girl is saying? When the girl was walking down the road, she saw a little toad. Toad you know na? Toad means frog's baby. Okay, so she saw a little toad, and what she did with this frog's baby? She caught it and she picked it up and she put it in the cage. Now on next page, page number 48, I was looking at the sky Then I saw a butterfly. I caught it. I picked it up. I put it in a cage. And hear what she is saying? When I was looking at the sky, I saw a butterfly. And what she did with the butterfly? She caught it, she picked it up, and she put it in the cage. As we can see in this picture, now the butterfly is in cage. Now on next page, page number 49, I was cleaning up the rug, then I saw a little bug. I caught it, I picked it up, I put it in a cage. And when she was cleaning up the rug, as we can see in this picture, she was cleaning up the rug. Okay, then she saw a little bug. And what she did it with the little bug? She caught it, she picked it up, and she put it in a cage. Now students, turn the page, page number 50. I was waiting for the mail. Then I saw a little snail. I caught it. I picked it up. I put it in a cage. And when she was waiting for the mail, what she saw? She saw a little snail. And again she caught it, she picked it up, and she put it in a cage. Now, on next page, what she is doing? I was sweeping up the house. Then I saw a little mouse. I caught it. I picked it up. I put it in a cage. And when she was sweeping the house, what she saw? She saw the little mouse. And again she picked it up, she caught it and put it in a cage. Now turn the page. Now on next page, I was reading something funny. Then I saw a little bunny. I caught it, I picked it up and put it in a cage. As we can see in this picture, where's the girl? The girl is sitting. Where is the girl? The girl is sitting in the park, and what she is doing? She was reading something very funny. And then she saw a little bunny. Bunny means rabbit, right? I caught it, I picked it up, and I put it in a cage. So she caught the little bunny and she put it in a cage. Now on next page, I was pushing a wheelbarrow. Then I saw a little sparrow. I caught it, I picked it up, I put it in a cage. And when she was pushing a wheelbarrow, what is wheelbarrow? Wheelbarrow means a large open container with a wheel and two handles to carry things. Okay, so when she was pushing the wheelbarrow, she saw a little sparrow. So she caught it, she picked it up, and she put it in a cage. Now turn the page and come on page number 54. I was looking at my pets. Then I saw them look at me. I sat a while, I thought a while, and then, as we can see, she is sitting on the chair. Okay, and she was looking all these pets. Okay, and what she saw? She saw that all these pets were looking at her. So she sat a while. She was sitting for a while and she was thinking, and then what she did? She set them free. Means I set them free. She set all the pets free. Students, I hope you all have enjoyed this story. So students, in this video we will do till here only. Okay. And now I am going to stop my video by giving you your homework, and your homework is to read this chapter well. Okay, in my next video I'll give you the exercise as well as the question answers of this chapter. Till then, take care. Bye bye.